Fritz Park Petting Farm, also known as the Animal Connection Experience.
It's great. We've driven by it a few times, but this is our first time actually being here.
Like, I kind of feel like I'm actually on a farm.
Oh, it's wonderful. I love it.
Which one is your favorite?
Ducks. Duckies.
I wasn't expecting the lemurs. The lemurs were pretty cool.
The baby goats, they're so cute.
We have peacocks, we have wallabies.
I always been scared of animals, but I mean, they're nice.
We started pig races this year. We just want them to come out and have fun with their families. This is geared to more younger children.
The little playground area is good too. So when he's not feeling the animals, he can go play with the Legos and stuff.
It's kind of a steal because you get a lot.
I just love it. Good experience.
We'll probably come back again before the end of the season.